Welcome to Luxury MotorHome Hub, the ultimate destination where power meets comfort, where engineering meets elegance, and where wheels meet dreams. This is not just another automotive channel. This is Luxury MotorHome Hub, a place built for people who believe travel isn't just about reaching places, it's about how you reach them. In a world full of rush, noise, and limitations, we believe in a lifestyle of freedom and adventure, a life where your home travels with you. Here at Luxury MotorHome Hub, we explore the most powerful, luxurious, and breathtaking motorhomes, RVs, expedition trucks, fifth wheels, super coaches, and custom-built luxury buses from around the world. From million-dollar motorhomes with marble floors, smart automation, and panoramic rooftop decks, to off-road RV beasts built to survive the wild with military-grade strength, Luxury MotorHome Hub brings it all to you. Every week, we take you inside the world's most exclusive mobile mansions, built by brands like Marathon Coach, Newmar, Prevost, ForTravel, Thor, Winnebago, Integra, Featherlight, and many more. At Luxury MotorHome Hub, we reveal not just the features, but the story, innovation, engineering, and passion behind them. Imagine a home on wheels that has a king-size bedroom, Italian leather interiors, 4K smart entertainment system, a luxury spa shower, a designer kitchen, a private office, and even a built-in garage for your supercar. Yes, these are not dreams. These are real motorhomes, and you will discover them right here on Luxury MotorHome Hub. Whether you love luxury travel, RV lifestyle, camper conversions, tiny homes on wheels, or off-grid freedom, this channel is built especially for you. Whether you are a traveler, camper, RVer, truck lover, or just curious about luxury engineering, Luxury MotorHome Hub is your new home. Here, you will find checkmark stunning luxury motorhomes, checkmark detailed RV tours and reviews, checkmark modern interior designs, checkmark high-tech off-grid systems, checkmark camper van conversions, checkmark RV lifestyle tips, checkmark best motorhome brands and builds, checkmark million-dollar coach walkthroughs, checkmark future of luxury travel. At Luxury MotorHome Hub, we don't just show vehicles, we explore dream machines that redefine life, travel, and freedom. Every episode is made with passion and energy, giving you high-quality visuals, professional breakdowns, and the best luxury motorhome content on YouTube. So if you dream of traveling the world without leaving home, if you believe life is better on the road, and if you want to see the future of motor luxury, then this is your world. This is your hub. This is Luxury MotorHome Hub. Subscribe now, and start your journey of rolling luxury.